Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Fallingport Financial. Just a lithium stock here. Got a new company. Subscriber left this in the comments, so I thought I'd take a look at it. It's Novonix Limited, ticker NVNXF. It trades here over the counter, as you can see. So a little bit of information about this one. If you don't know what they are, they're an Australian-based company. The company is engaged in developing and supplying of materials, equipment, and services for a global lithium-ion battery industry. The company, through its subsidiary Novonix Battery Testing Services, develops and sells the battery and test equipment. And as you follow my channel, I've covered quite a few lithium plays here on the channel that go along with EVs and any other picks and shovel play we can get towards EVs. These are usually a cheaper stock, and sometimes they go up, and sometimes they just kind of trade kind of sideways, as you can see here. But over the long run, I feel they should be going up, so that's why I look at them and keep them around for the long term. So, but this is Novonix. Like I said, ticker NVNXF. So if you're looking to trade this one, you can get it on Fidelity or TD Ameritrade. I always recommend Fidelity first. I have paid a commission there on my over-the-counter stocks. I have on TD Ameritrade, but you just have to try it and see if they charge you or not. So here's a look at what it's done over the last year. So you can see it's been kind of up and down, kind of all over the place. $1.21 on up to $2.77, and came back down to the 70-80 cent range and traded kind of flat there throughout the end of December. It started running up in January again, so had a great takeoff from December on up to January. Tripled and then some, but came back down to the 211 and just been kind of trading kind of sideways since then. Here's a look at the last month. Went from $1.98 on up to $3.04 and kind of came back down a little bit again. And here's a look at the last week. So here's kind of a look at the last week. What they've done was up at 309 early in the week, and kind of came down again, and just kept coming down over the week, and then went back up towards the end of the week. Here's a look at what it's done today. So like I said, this one's kind of volatile, so if you're looking to get into this one, just be safe. Set your stops, set your alerts, whatever you have to do to protect yourself. Currently it's at $2.75. Phillips 66 invests in battery tech analytics software, and this is dated a couple days ago on the 9th. So the CEO and chairman of the Houston-based Phillips 66 headquarters, the largest public traded company, recently made new investments into firms in lithium-ion battery technology and advanced analytics software. Phillips 66 announced on August 9th that it had agreed to take a 16% stake in Novonix Limited, Brisbane, Australia-based battery materials and technology company. Phillips 66 will subscribe for approximately 77.96 million Novonix shares for a total purchase of $150 million. The investment into Novonix is driven by Phillips 66 emerging energy organization and will support and develop domestic supply chains for sales into the United States, electric vehicle and energy storage markets. The firm said Novonix has its anode materials based in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and the firm aims to increase production capacity to 10,000 metric tons of synthetic graphite per year by 2023. With Phillips 66 investment, Novonix aims to expand capacity by an additional 30,000 metric tons annually. And I'm just going to scroll through and go over the rest of the information for those of you that would like to read it. Otherwise, you can find this on bizjournals.com. And Phillips 66 to invest $150 million in Australia-based Novonix for a 16% stake. And here's some of the quick facts. Again, this is dated on the 9th. Again, there's the ticker if you missed it earlier. Under the terms of the agreement, Phillips 66 will subscribe 77.96 million ordinary shares for a total purchase of $150 million. And again, kind of some of the same information. Over here to Yahoo Finance. For those of you that like Yahoo Finance, again, it's some of the same information. Let's see if there's any other information in here. Directly support the development of the U.S. battery supply chain. CEO Phillips 66 advances our commitment to pursue lower carbon solutions while leveraging our leadership position and expertise in the specialty coke market and supporting Novonix emerging position U.S.-based anode production. So this could be a big step for this particular company, having Phillips 66 on its side, and we'll see what happens with the stock price here in the days and weeks to come. So the anode material business in Chattanooga, Tennessee, where it is increasing capacity to produce 10,000 metric tons per year of synthetic graphite by 2023. Investment by Phillips 66 will support a capacity expansion of an additional 30,000 per year, which is expected to be completed by 2025. Here goes over a little bit more about Phillips 66. 14,000 employees, $57 billion in assets. So should be a definite boost to the stock price on this smaller lithium company. Here's 16 days ago. Let's see if there's any updated information here. Doesn't look like anything recent. Over here on StockTwits, currently at $2.75, a low of 70 cents, high of $4.85. And I think I've talked about this one on Lake Resources. I'm pretty sure I've talked about that one here on the channel. Sounds like another lithium play. I've covered quite a few of them. Some penny stocks, and over here on TipRanks, currently at 275, and no recent ratings on this one. So, but if you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis, any other information you might have on this one that we can share, and see if we can all make some money together on this one. Like I said, this would be a long-term play. I haven't bought any of this one yet. I might see if it'll come down a little bit more tomorrow. We'll see if it goes back down to this 250 range. I might pick up some then, but like I said, if you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments, and if you have any other lithium plays that we can take a look at, go ahead and list those as well. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, following Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.